Senior man, your cheek, I don't catch them. Your cheek, you don't finish up. They don't block. In fact, I see I'm with guy. Oh, if I like man, in fact, kill me. They don't blame. They don't. The guy need to touch up. Your cheek don't finish. They don't. They don't.
I know girlfriend why again. She don't do that kind of thing, guys. She don't do that kind of thing.
So I feel like for you. Girl, they touch me as touch body.
Wait. If I go now, I know see I'm with that guy. What I will do you?
Kill me, bury me, die me, kill me.
I'm gonna go now.
Where that boy? Where did he run? That. Oh, I thought she was. Now she.
What's up? How are you doing? Like, and do you know what happened? This guy told me that I saw you with guy. Is it true? Tell me.
No. Senior man, you
Jesus!
don't me. Oh, senior, I beg. Senior man.
I am wounded too much.
Babe.
Tell me, wait, guy. You tell me, say you see my girlfriend with another guy. You come like you break up with her.
Senior man.
Wait, you can't like give me no.
Move talk this thing outside. Senior man, I beg. Senior man, big bro, big dad. No,
he's lying, no.
No, senior man, I beg. I dey ground. Man, they up. Senior man, senior.